Yeah, friends, then we are in the second unit. We have covered the theoretical concept and we have practiced also. Now it's the time for the challenge, right? So for the brevity, we are taking another video for challenge purpose, right? Let's move. The challenge is we need to create a class with the name account utility. Well, let's take the developer console itself. ACCOUNTUTILITY, else copy paste it. Account utility, copy and paste it, right? Because this is validated by the robots, the name should be perfectly perfect. Okay, what next? You need to create a method with this name, view annual revenue method. Okay, copy. I'm typing. It should be a public, it should be a static. I mean capitals need not, and it is not a case sensitive. Apex language is not a case sensitive, right? Okay, void view annual revenue. Okay, with bracket starting and bracket ending. Problems unexpected token. Okay, right, done. This is the method. Save till now. Any issues are there, you will come to know. Here you see star symbol means not saved the changes. Okay, changes. If any problems are there, you will see in the problems tab here. Problems tab, right? Then what shall we do is public static void. Okay, done. And create a list. This is the variable needed for storing the list of accounts. And you need to assign the account name and annual revenue into this list variable, right? Doing that, take a list of account, give some name, this is the name, and within the square brackets, right, select account name, API name is name, and annual revenues, this one, no space is there, from account object. And let's put any limit statement. That's good practice to put a limit statement whether he has suggested it or not. And since this is mm, sample data, we have 15-20 records. Okay, we need not bother about the limit, but put 20 or 100 200 at least, right? That's good practice. What next? In the loop, create a loop for the account object, and the account list is already here, it's assigned, right? Within this, what I am doing, for each loop I am creating, for each loop account, you can give any variable name. Here I am giving SHA account, which will store iteration, the context account record over there, and this is the list, right? What next? SHA account, the first record will be there, and I have to fetch its name and annual revenue. So I'm taking a string variable to store it, and he is suggesting that string variable should be account revenue. String variable account revenue, which is responsible to store account name and annual revenue. Concatenate the account name followed by a colon followed by the account's annual revenue. Okay, straightforward. He's expecting only the colon concatenation. Okay, not like complex concatenation we have seen before, right? Simple name and revenue, that's it. Okay, so where this is stored, each item This is the variable and it has a field name. Now what I have to concatenate? Plus concatenate symbol colon. So colon is a static text. I have to put it in single quotes, right? Then check count annual revenue. Well, so this string is taking name value first records. If it is edge communications, that is edge communications, then colon will be there, no space. Here I am not concatenating any space. Is he suggesting any space? Oh, space, right, better put some space before and after, right? Well, then first edge communications annual revenue, then second University of Arizona or Burlington Textile, something like that, right? Then what you have to do? We have to print it. Print this information concatenated string literally into the debug log. For that we use system.debug. ACCT account and revenue information. So otherwise copy this one, paste over there, save entire story. It is saying some problems are there. Invalid type account, ACCOUNT, ACCO. Right. So so these things will happen, just need not be panic, understand it, that's it. ACCOUNT, right, correct it. You should not have these symbols, these are problems. It is saying the problem is there. Okay, wait for some time, the problems will go away, then save it. So this star symbol is not yet saved. Okay, it's saved, good. Let's execute and check for ourselves before going check the challenge, right? So what shall we do? Going to the developer console, what is the name of the class? Account utility, and view annual revenue. ACCOUNT UTILITY, view annual revenue. Okay, execute this one. This is for our purpose, whether we are executing it properly or not. Limit 20 I have given. Okay, what happened? Open log, execute the highlighted. Directly go to the debug statement, right? So we have put the limit some 10 or 20. Line number 8 of our code, check here, account utility apex, line number 8, right? 20, I have put 20, but it has only these many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, only 13 records are there, right? So this is edge communications, then this is the annual revenue. Burlington, this is the pyramid construction incorporated, this is the annual revenue, right? Working fine for us. Then confidently we can check the challenge. Understand, this is validated by the robots. So the API names should be exactly whatever the challenge is suggesting. Right, so assessment completed, got 500 points. Happy, right? Well, so in the next session, let us see the next unit, third unit. What is the third unit? Create relationship queries with standard objects, right? Okay. um, because of the brevity, I have to take I had to take the another video for this hands-on challenge. In the next session, let us deal with the third unit. having the queries on standard objects. Stay tuned. Thank you. Yours Secular Shah for Salesforce online training.